You can't hide from me. Knock, who's there? You're a nightmare.
Ready na ba kayong tawagin ang ating lead stars of Kumantong? Di ko kayo masyado marinig. Ready na ba kayo? Siyempre, of course, ang ating direktor, tatawagin na rin natin in just a little bit. O diba? Para maganda ang simula ng ating linggo. Lunes na Lunes, pero happy agad tayo for this first week of July. O diba? Ang bilis, no? So pwede ko tayo mag-roll ng mga kanina. Sabihin yung mga fans kay Sian Lim. Yun, hello. And of course, the fans of Cindy Miranda and Max Natafon. So I see mga Sian Lims. Nandiyan,
hello everyone. I hope you guys can support Kumantong. Thank you so much for joining us premiere night. And titignan pa lang sa mga bahay. Hi everyone. I hope you guys can support Kumantong. Bukas na pa ang opening day. Maraming salamat. Enjoy the film.
of course, July 3 showing in cinemas nationwide. And also what's special about the film, we also shot abroad, diba, Derek?
Yes, 90% of the film was shot in Thailand. So kung gusto nyo matakot, kung gusto nyo isama buong barangay, gusto nyo isama si nanay, si lola, mga kaibigan, sama nyo na po. This is a film para sa inyo. Maraming salamat.
Okay, maraming salamat, Derek. So please stay there for a little bit. We'll just have fun. Okay.
Knock, knock. Who's there?
You're a nightmare. Okay, we have photos here. Alright, so let's just chat a little bit, non-direct. So bakit Kumantong? Bakit ito ang naisip mo na
Everyone, I feel like everyone loves a horror genre. And ito yung equivalent ng, kumbaga sa Pinoy, meron tayong tiyanak. Pero sa Thailand naman, meron silang Kumantong. Pero iba, medyo may pagkakaiba sila. And it's an ancient Thai ritual na nilalagay namin dito sa Pilipinas for everyone to enjoy. So I really do hope that you guys can support the film and watch.
Yeah, so do you have any other upcoming shows or do you have any screenings of the movie that you would like to promote as well?
That's about it. I think July 3, that's tomorrow, correct? Or 2 days? No, that's
2 days.
tomorrow. 2 days, yes. 2 days from now, July 3, opening day ng Kumantong.